Imagine building a garden bed once, and it pays for itself season after season. That's the magic of raised beds. Today, I'll show you how to build DIY raised beds that are eco-friendly, affordable, and profitable. Plus, which crops turn them into money makers. Why raised beds? They boost yields, reduce weeds, improve soil drainage, and make gardening easier on your back. The math is simple. Spend about $130 on a raised bed setup. Grow $500 or more in food per season. Use cedar or metal raised bed kits. Cedar is naturally rot resistant, and Vego garden beds are recyclable and long-lasting. Fill with organic compost and sustainable soil mixes. Add drip irrigation for water savings of up to 50%. Now, let's look at the most profitable crops for raised beds. First, leafy greens. Lettuce, spinach, and arugula are quick, high value, and perfect for cut-and-come-again harvest. They're annuals for zones 2 through 11. Direct sow in spring or fall. Harvest outer leaves every week. One bed of greens can yield over 25 bags of salad mix worth $125. Simple recipe idea. Farm fresh salad. Mix lettuce, tomatoes, cucumber, olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Second, basil. A money crop in small spaces. Basil is an annual, zones 4 through 10. Start indoors, transplant outside after frost. It loves full sunday. Pinch flowers weekly for bushy growth. Avoid planting near sage or rue. Fresh basil bunches sell for $3 to $5 each. Recipe idea. Pesto sauce. Blend basil, olive oil, garlic, parmesan, and nuts until smooth. Third, green onions. Fast, profitable, and endlessly useful. They're biennial but grown as annuals. Zones 3 through 9. Direct sow in spring. Companions include carrots and beets. Avoid planting near beans or peas. Green onions sell quickly at markets and restaurants. A 10-foot row can yield 20 to 30 bunches. Recipe idea, scallion pancakes. Flour dough with sesame oil and green onions, pan-fried golden. Fourth, carrots. They thrive in the deep soil of raised beds. Carrots are biennial, zones 3 through 10. Direct sow in loose soil. Thin seedlings for larger roots. Avoid too much nitrogen, it causes leafy tops instead of big roots. Fresh carrots sell for $2 per pound. Rainbow varieties fetch higher prices. Recipe idea, honey glazed carrots. Roast with butter, honey, and a pinch of sea salt. Fifth, peppers. High demand crop, big returns. Peppers are annuals, zones 4 through 10. Start indoors, transplant after frost. Full sun needed. Pinch early blossoms to boost yield. Use organic fertilizer with phosphorus and potassium. Specialty peppers can sell for $4 to $6 per pound. Recipe idea. Stuff peppers with rice, beans, and cheese. Sixth, strawberries. Perfect for raised beds. They're perennials in zones 4 through 9. Plant crowns in spring, mulch for winter, remove runners to increase yield. Pair with drip irrigation for cleaner fruit. Strawberries sell for $5 to $8 per pint. Recipe idea. Strawberry shortcake with whipped cream and biscuits. Seventh, kale. A hardy, frost-tolerant winner. Biennial, zones 4 through 9. Direct sow or transplant. Frost improves sweetness. Kale keeps producing for months. A single bed can produce $100 worth per season. Recipe idea. Kale chips. Toss with olive oil, salt, and bake until crisp. Let's recap. Leafy greens, basil, green onions, carrots, peppers, strawberries, and kale. Together, they make your raised beds pay for themselves quickly. Start with eco-friendly raised bed kits, organic compost, and water-saving irrigation. Then plant these high-value crops. Which of these crops would you plant first? Comment below with your choice. And don't forget to subscribe. Tomorrow's video is cut grocery bills in half with 5 vegetables. Subscribe now, keep planting, and keep turning your greens into gold.